was, 130, so they're not that far off as far as the speed differential. You come out of turn 1 and approach that backstretch, it's the acceleration that's difference between the two, and that has to do with horsepower. So the cats get a set. As you watch now, Randy Swears, he can go ahead and start his set. He'll get his trim set and then speed accordingly, and watch the rooster tail die down and start picking up traction. So it's interesting to watch these boats as they come out of the turn, but it's a lot in acceleration between the two boat styles. And even though overall the lap times might be faster on some of the cats, the acceleration for the first half of the straightaway sometimes they go to the higher horsepower boat, which in this case are the B-bottoms.
I'm being told that 12 laps are down.
We've got some interesting speeds are changing right now, but the distance between the boats are changing. Look at the boat. Perfect trim in this beautiful flat water. From sponsor to sponsor, older points. What do you see coming up? Run them down too much, hurt your equipment, you're not going to finish, Dan.
You said the match coming up at 3 o'clock. Superboat Unlimited, the biggest and fastest race boats in the world. They'll be putting about 40, possibly 50 miles per hour more speed-wise than these boats. With the proper tops, there's many boats that can run 200 miles an hour. They will not be running.
First place, and we're excited about that. And it appears that Cleveland Construction will be in second place with Randy Swears and Sailor Jerry's in third place. It's nothing great to be down last lap. So I'm just checking my watch. It's almost 2:30 right now, so it will not be long before the third and final race. Well, again, we have Rangers
So where is the finish line? The yellow pylon. That yellow pylon right there. So they come down, and they're basically starting down there somewhere, and then when they get to this point, it's on.
Yeah, they do something called billing down there.
So as their qualifying position. I love a good show.
More coming right now.
Wait, yep.
We've got incredible support from IBM, and what the ultimate goal of this is to use IBM's real-time predictive analytics, so we can anticipate what's going to happen.
Wow. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful boat.
76 miles. There's going to be some intense speed, intense competition. I'm going to try to watch the screens so I can tell you what's going on with your scene. I'm also going to
might be the best day ever because there's not hardly any way this is going to be the fastest one I've ever seen, probably. I've seen it when it was kind of rough. I've seen it like 3 times, but it's never been like this.
Here they come, baby.
They are really wonderful. They need to probably get a little bit closer together if they're taking up the entire course. But they look like they're running pretty
Yeah,
well.
those two are face boats.
Oh, yeah, they're 2, 6, 7.
Yeah, 7. Right.
We got a green flag back. We're running. Yeah!
Oh, that's what it was? He's just coming out? Okay. So they're just on the boat.
So it's the warm-up lap.
Grace right there.
Got out. I think it's running out of one. All we've got to do is start the race.
Really?
You can't see, you're blind. This guy is 6 feet tall.
You want to stand here?
He's blind now. He's actually,
Right, because the national championship is
whatever.
determined
We
today.
got here at
And
11.
then the world
You can
championship.
stand here if you want to.
Get up, Jimmy. Get up. Get
That's what I'm doing.
It's worth hopping up here and seeing the view.
Now they're starting to get traction and lay it down, so there definitely is a mechanical problem on the 03 boat. Yeah, they got a very, very late start. Johnny Thompson and Jeff Harris. I think they've got the points sewn up, but we'll keep our eye on the other guys. The other CMS boat, number 3, Bob Bull, Randy Sissom, they put a little bit of time now on Geico, but Geico and Speedways are always side by side. Geico is
Here we go. We got 2 more, baby. Come on. Get out there. Here we go.
Really? Watch him go around.
Yeah!
That was
That was badass.
why they didn't hit him, man.
That's badass.
Geico went way out.
That is boat racing.
That was freaking good. It's funny. That big a boat going around there. That was flipping wild right there. Yeah, you got him spinning. Look at that.
Nice.
Perfect shot, my friend. That's awesome.
All
got the boat spinning.
Oh, wow.
He got him spun.
Wow, that's a great shot.
That is a great shot, my friend. Wow. He got him spun out. That's an awesome shot. Right.
That's the old 3 boat. So he's not. He was sandbagging.
Okay.
He was definitely saying this guy can fly.
Yeah.
He's just wanting to finish with all parts.
Why tear up parts?
You know,
Why tear up parts? I mean,
he's just staying out of it.
yeah.
He's just wanting to.
What was that one that clock tower here?
Same state. Get a shot of Geico jumping up.
Here comes Geico, baby, all the way. Make that turn, baby. Make that turn. Punch it. Here we go. What happened to him? Yeah, something's wrong.
Yeah, he went to the outside.
Yeah, but look at his tail. His roots is down behind you. Yeah, he's dragging. He's done. Look at that. Yeah, I love that one. That's a cool one.
Here we go, Geico's back.
I'm going back and forth here looking at the actual race course and watching the monitor. But you know, not to be outdone,
They run this clockwise.
certainly
Every year.
Well, they do because of the pier.
Oh, okay. They come
Hey, can you email me that picture? Sure. Thank you. Make my day. My name's Brian Davis.
Hey, nice to meet you, Brian Josh. Josh here.
You hit it, man. You hit it. Perfect. You're perfect. The faded point. Perfect. This spray cleared, man. You hit it.
I was wondering.
This looks fast.
Geico's making them laps.
between G and the CMS. Just briefly there, I think you missed something. I saw them go flying by Indy. So Indy is definitely having a problem. They will come the other side. They are looping back. We'll be seeing them momentarily. But they
Here comes empty.
Yeah, they are right there, as a matter of fact. Hate to see that, because those guys, as you said, worked all night trying to resolve the problems they had. Those extremely expensive motors.
Yeah, he's out.
They look, this class,
About 10,000 on the side, man.
That's a pretty boat right there.